The world of smartphones once again, focusing our attention on the Vivo V30 Pro. As an upgraded version of the V30, this device brings some exciting features to the table, especially with its partnership with Zeiss. Let's explore what makes the Vivo V30 Pro stand out in the crowded mid-range smartphone market. The Vivo V30 Pro greets you with a sleek and stylish design, boasting a waving water pattern that adds a touch of elegance. Its matte finish not only enhances its aesthetic appeal, but also ensures that pesky fingerprints stay at bay. Despite packing impressive features, the V30 Pro remains surprisingly lightweight and thin, making it a joy to hold and use. One of the standout features of the V30 Pro is its stunning display. With a resolution of 2800x1260 and a peak brightness exceeding 1200 nits, this device offers an immersive viewing experience, whether you are indoors or outdoors. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth and fluid navigation through the UI, enhancing the overall user experience. Equipped with Zeiss optics, the Vivo V30 Pro delivers exceptional camera performance. The dedicated portrait camera, along with the 2x optical zoom camera, allows users to capture stunning portraits with ease. The 50-megapixel ultrawide and main cameras ensure crisp and detailed shots in any lighting condition. Additionally, the V30 Pro's ability to shoot 4K video with the ultrawide camera sets it apart from its competitors, providing users with versatile creative possibilities. Under the hood, the V30 Pro is powered by the Dimensity 8300 chipset and boasts 12GB of RAM, ensuring smooth and lag-free performance. Whether you are multitasking, gaming, or streaming content, this device handles it all with ease. Vivo's FunTouch OS provides a seamless user experience, although the presence of bloatware remains a minor annoyance. Battery life is a crucial aspect of any smartphone, and the V30 Pro doesn't disappoint. With its 5000 mAh battery and 80W flash charging support, this device offers impressive endurance and quick charging times. Users can enjoy extended usage without constantly worrying about running out of battery. The Vivo V30 Pro emerges as a strong contender in the mid-range smartphone segment, thanks to its partnership with Zeiss and a host of impressive features. From its stylish design and stunning display to its powerful performance and exceptional camera capabilities, the V30 Pro ticks all the right boxes for discerning users. While minor drawbacks such as aggressive bloatware and a mono downward firing speaker exist, they do little to detract from the overall appeal of this device. If you are in the market for a mid-range smartphone that offers a premium experience without breaking the bank, the Vivo V30 Pro is definitely worth considering. And there you have it, folks. That's our in-depth review of the Vivo V30 Pro. We hope you found this insightful and informative. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Until next time, happy browsing.